A very good morning to all of you. So today's our topic for the lab is role play. So shall we have the opening remarks?
Yes, ma'am. Role play is the discussion technique that makes it possible to get maximum participants of group through acting out.
Uh,
Example example of role play: case studies, human simulation, group exercise, real life projects, labs, etc.
Fine. Thank you for the opening remarks. So the title is role play. So the first thing that we can note in role play that it is a speaking activity. Uh, we may have a written part of it. We may have a script for it. But when it is actually acted out, it would be a speaking activity. So you have to act on a given scenario, or it could be an imaginary situation. It can involve two or more people. So when it is a role play, a minimum of two or more than two, whatever is required. It helps to spark brainstorming sessions. Now, by brainstorming, I mean these are the sessions where we talk, we discuss, we try to find solutions. So role plays could help a lot in the brain storming sessions. It also improves communication between team members because you try to talk from one person's view or from the second person's view, third person's view, etc. And it also helps to see problems or situations from different perspectives, right? So it helps you to see problems or situations from different perspectives. Sometimes when some decisions are taken, we always say that had I been in this person's place, I would have taken a different step, or the decision would have been different. So role play actually helps you fit into somebody else's shoes and try and understand why a particular decision was taken, what were the reasons behind it. So that's why role plays are very important in organizations, because they help you to see the same problem from different views or different angles. Now, these are the steps for the role play. First, we need to identify a situation. Then you have to add the little detailing to the process. Then you need to assign roles. You have to act the scenario and you have to discuss. This is the instruction for our lab today. Our lab will be further divided into groups that you are supposed to do. That is, you can select which group you want to be in. I had already informed you in the previous lab that it could be 2 people, 3 people, or 4 people in a group. I hope you have taken the decision. Otherwise, we'll take 5 minutes and you can tell me uh, who are the group members. Each group will be assigned a role play. Each group will be given 5 minutes of preparation time, approximately 10 minutes of execution time, and 5 minutes for feedback. While one group is performing the role play, the rest of the groups will be observing and noting down the feedback. Please remember, the feedback should be constructive. That is, you are supposed to help your classmate or your peer to improve, so that the person is able to perform better. Now, how will you give the feedback? This is an example which I am showing you. So, yes, for every person, apart from your group, for every person, you are supposed to write a feedback. Now, what will you write? You will write 3 good things that happened in the role play. We are not supposed to write about the person, but how did his or her, or what aspects of his or her role play were good. Let's say I framed it. You can use any other words, whatever you find good. I said, first thing that I find good is the person played the role properly. Whatever role was assigned to him or her was played properly. The sentence structures were good. The execution and organization of the role play was good. These are the 3 things. Now, we are not supposed to say the 3 bad things. We are supposed to say 3 improvements. which is if the person works a little at this 3 4 places, he can improvise. So which are the three good things? Let's say one of them could be he or she needs to pay attention on pronunciation. He or she needs to use more technical words or more proper vocabulary words. And every time she is repeating the same words, so she can replace with proper vocabulary. Let's say the role play was very short. Can you add the team could have added more dialogues, or maybe in the team she had only two or three dialogues to speak, the rest was taken care by the other group members, so more dialogues can come uh, in her part, or maybe she is given a little more dialogues, or they increase the length of the role play. Now, how will we give the feedback, and how will we keep a track of feedback being given? This is what you are supposed to do. So you might have received an email from me where it says that I have shared a Google Drive. Right, so what I'll do is I'll show you what you are supposed to do. I hope you have received an email. Everybody has received. Yes, very good. So I'll show you what you are supposed to do. I'm sharing my screen. Now I'll show you the drive. Okay. So you must have received a folder which I have shared, and the name of the folder is the name of your class, that is 3EC2, and I have mentioned the academic year 2020-2021. Now, this folder I have shared with the entire class, but you are supposed to operate only your lab batch. You can see a subfolder which says lab batch A, lab batch B, and lab batch C. Now you click on the lab batch, you see further folders of different activities that we are going to do. Now, if you go to book review, there's an Excel sheet there. So one or two things that we are going to do today is, first, there's an Excel sheet. If you open the Excel sheet, you can see your enrollment numbers and your names and the name of the book that you have selected. That uh, column is empty. So today I'll give you time. You will just have to note it down here so everybody can see. It is stored at the same place and everybody can look into it. So first thing that you do is you're supposed to note down the name of the book that you have selected for book review, so that in case somebody has missed a title in the chat box, he or she can be sure of it over here. So I'm giving you 5 minutes. We have already selected the books. Just note down the name of the books over here. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do that. I can see only 3 people have made the entries. Quickly note it down so that we can move ahead with our lab. A few more minutes for just noting so that I can show you the next step as well after this. Fine. What you can do is you can explore this and complete it by the end of today. You can note down the names over here. So this is one thing that you have to do. Now, if you go back to lab batch C, we've got a folder called role play. Now, there's nothing here. What you are supposed to do is this: pay attention to the steps. I know you know it, but just pay attention to the details that is given to you over here. So, what you have to do is you have to add new Google Doc, because it's a sharing folder which has been shared. So it's asking a permission from me. Let's say uh, my enrollment number is 441, and my name I'll write, and then I'll write role play. I've created a document where I'll be giving, as I said, we are supposed to give feedback to every other group apart from the group that you are in, because in your group you'll be paying more attention on performing the role play and not on the feedback, right? So what I'll do is I'll insert a table. So here I'll write in the first column name of the student, and here then 3 improvements. We're not writing bad things, please say we are writing improvements. We're supposed to take it in a very constructive manner. We are supposed to help our friends to improve. Right? So SR number, the decision number 1, 2, 3. Here you are supposed to write the name of the student for whom you are writing the feedback for. So maybe you want to merge the cells, you can do that. Format, table, merge cells. So let's say I write here somebody's name, right? So here I write good things are needs to work on pronunciation, dialogues by Bell constructor, and so on and so forth. Right? So that is for student 1 of group 1. Now what I can do is I can copy this table and paste it. Now here it becomes student 2. I change. You cannot have the same feedback for everybody. So I'll change over here. So I'm writing the person played the role well, and in improvement I'm writing needs to increase number of dialogues. So then if I close this, you can see it is already saved with my name, that I, this is me, and this is my feedback for the rest of the group. Now what you are supposed to do right away is, you are supposed to, everybody has to create their own uh, Google Doc with their last three digits of their enrollment number, their name, and then they have to title it as role play feedback. Right? This is what you are supposed to do right away, because we'll note down the feedback so that everybody can see, and it is there with us so that we can improvise. Right? So I'm giving you 5 minutes of time, 5 to 7 minutes approximately, to create a Google Doc with your enrollment number, last three digits, then your name, and then role play feedback. If you wish, I'll show you one more time. New Google Doc, create and share. And the moment over here it is written so I hope you have understood how it is working. So in the untitled document over here, you have to just give your enrollment number, the name, maybe the full name, whatever you're writing, your full name, and then role play feedback. Then you have to add the table with those titles. So you can have more number of tables as per the number of people we have in the class, so that you can give feedback to everybody. The moment you close it, the title that you have given will appear there. Very good. I can already see one which is created. Very nice. And so you're given 5 minutes to work on it, and everybody should have one Google Doc with their name in the subfolder lab batch C, and within that you have a role play folder. There you have it. It's good to see some of you have already made your Google Docs. Right? We wait a few more minutes for your friends to complete the this part of it, and then we can go ahead. I see only a few have you have made your documents. Is there some problem in understanding? If you have not understood, you please ask me. We can do it again. I can show you again how to do it. Has anybody got a doubt with it? You don't have a doubt in how to add a Google Doc in your folder. And if you have a doubt, please ask. Fine, we'll wait 3-4 minutes more and then we can move with the role play activity. If somebody is facing problem in creating a Google Doc, please ask me. I can show you again. Just 3-4 minutes more and then we can go for our role plays. I can see some of you have already made the Google Doc. Now let's move ahead with our role play. This is the feedback part. And you have to give feedback to every single student in the lab batch, apart from the people who are a part of your group. Right? So please understand, you have to write it down there. So the next part is the structure of the role play. It should begin with greetings. So good morning, good afternoon, how are you? A little exchange of it. Then see, you are free to decide the roles. When I'll give you the role play, I'll say that this role play requires 3 students. So who becomes what is entirely on you. And you are supposed to prepare a set of question and answers relevant to the scenario. You're supposed to practice framing the sentences and then we'll execute the role play here on the lab session itself. So there's a sample role play. It's a very simple one, but I just want you to look and observe at how they start with greetings. And then you see at the speed at which sentences are spoken and how the role play develops. It's a very simple example just to understand how role play should work. Right? So I'll just play the role play for you and you can have a look at it.
English Sing Sing.
How was your summer vacation?
How are you?
I'm good. How was your summer vacation?
It was great. I went to Jeju-do with my family.
Really? What did you do there?
We looked around Jeju-do.
Sounds great.
We rode horses and walked along Jeju-ole.
Jeju Ole? What's that?
It's a walking path. You can see beautiful beaches and fields from there.
Wow, I want to go there too.
How about your vacation? What did you do?
I took Taekwondo lessons.
Great. What color belt do you have?
White. I want to get my blue belt soon.
Good luck.
Listen.
How are you?
I'm good. How was your summer vacation?
It was great. I went.
Say initially we were not able to see the dialogue. Now we have it with the subtitles. Certain words that were pronounced, we were unfamiliar. So we'll have a look at that. So that's why pronouncing the few words that others would be unfamiliar with, you need to pronounce it more clearly. You can have a look at
Jeju-do
what
with my family.
they are saying.
Really? What did you do there?
We looked around Jeju-do.
Sounds great.
We rode horses and walked along Jeju-ole.
Jeju Ole? What's that?
It's a walking path. You can see beautiful beaches and fields from there.
Wow, I want to go there too.
How about your vacation? What did you do?
I took Taekwondo lessons.
Great. What color belt do you have?
White. I want to get my blue belt soon.
Good luck.
You can see this is an example, a simple example of it, how the conversation should go very smoothly. Suddenly we feel that the dialogues are less and now we need to increase on the spot. It should not happen that way. So that's how you are supposed to prepare for it. Now, role play scenarios. I hope you have already made your group. So can you just, any one person tells that in our group, these are the 4 people, and note the names of the students in the chat so that I can assign you the role play scenarios. So let's say if I write group 1. So who are the 3-4 people whose name is there? Don't worry. If you are group 1, does not mean you have to perform first. We'll be doing it at absolute random numbers. We're not going to do it in order 1, then 2. It could be 5, then 1, then 3, then 4, that way, right? So I hope you have made the groups. Have you decided upon who is in which group? So this is a yes and no question. Have you decided your groups with whom you are pairing, or you want me to decide it for you? You have not decided. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Right away, you decide your groups. After that, we can assign you the things or assign you the role play scenarios. Right, so I'm giving you 5 minutes, and you can decide your groups and note it down. Let's say Nisargi, Himali, and Vartika are in one group. Just give a note in the chat box and then we can move ahead. 5 minutes given, discuss amongst yourself and form your group. I can just see two groups. What about the rest of the classmates? Just 2-3 minutes more, because we then have to prepare and execute the role play as well. Just 2-3 minutes more for the rest of us. Okay, what we'll do is, by the time the rest of the students decide their groups, we already have two groups, group 1 and group 2. So I'll assign you the scenario so that we can start preparing. So you have more time for preparation. Right. So group 1, this is your scenario. It requires 4 students at the maximum. See, if it does not matter with the gender, you can change the gender of this number of students that you have. So it could be somebody who is joining in as a new roommate. I give you the time to note down your scene, and you are free to make appropriate changes in it. Let's say, instead of the international student's parents, his siblings have come to drop him or her. Maybe the elder brother and sister have come to drop the student at the Marwadi University hostel, right? So you can make a change there. You're free to make changes there. So I'm giving you 2 minutes of time so that you can note this down. Kindly drop a message that you have noted the scene so that I can move on to the next group and give them their scene. Drop a message in the chat box once you have noted the scene. I hope group 1 has noted scenario 1, so that I can now shift to giving the scene to group 2. Group 1, any member, if you can answer that you have noted it. Yes, okay. So now I'll move on to group 2. So here, though it says it requires 2 students, let me see if we have something. Here you can change the requirement to 4 because we have a group of 4 students. So 2 of you could be students of the Marwari University or students belonging to India, and 2 of you could become students from another country, an international student who is moving to our university and they're going to move into your room. So group 2, kindly note down your scenario, role play scenario. I hope group 2 has now noted their scenario. Good. So now you are given 10. Let's say you are given time till it's 11:06. You are given time till 11:20 to prepare. Please remember those students who are performing, I'll be taking their attendance only. Right. So if you are still pending to tell me your group, quickly tell me a group where you are, because I can see that there are 10 people who are present and we just have 8 names in the groups. Right. So as of now, I've just noted the group. Okay, we've got a group 3 now. I think Shubham Goswami is in 2 groups. So quickly decide whether it is in group 2 or group 3. Fine. What I'll do is for group 3, I'll give you the scene so that you can start working on it. Group 1 and 2, you can start working on your scenes or your role plays. So this was for group 2. Now this is group 3. Here, 2 of the students can go and ask the professor for the opportunities of studying abroad. So 2 of you can become the students, 1 of you can become the professor. So group 3, please note down your role play scenario. Shubham says is in group 2. So group 3, it is Nehil and Kunj. Right, so you can act it in 2 students as well. It is actually a scene for 2 of you, so you can work on it. So Nehil and Kunj, this is your scenario for role play. Quickly note it down and start working on it. Please remember, we are supposed to execute the role play in this session only. So the time that is given for you to prepare, you prepare, be well prepared about it, and then we can start role playing. So group 3, note down your scenario. Group 3, have you noted your role play scenario? Okay, now you can start preparing with your friends, and we'll start the execution at 11:25. Right? That is, you will start doing your role play at 11:25. We'll start with group 2, then group 3, then group 1. That's the order. I'll write it down so that you don't have confusion. Order will be 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. And this is how we will perform. So first group 2, then group 3, then group 1. Right? So now I'm giving you time to prepare. So we'll again group 2 has to unmute themselves at 11:25. I hope all the three groups are ready. Group 2 for performing the role play, and the rest of the groups for giving the feedback. We are ready now, or do we need 5 more minutes? Are we ready, or do we require some more time? This is a question that is asked. You need to answer a yes or no. Do we require some more time for preparation, or are we ready? Right. 5 minutes needed. I have noted that. We begin sharp at 11:30 with group 2. So I hope we are ready now. So it's group 2 that can start.
Good. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, group 2. Other people in the lab, you can right now note down the feedback in your books, and then you can update it in the Google quiz by 4 today. Google, sorry, not the quiz, the Google Doc. Right. So group 2, you can start your discussion. Sorry, you can start your role play.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, hello, good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine.
What about your study?
I am studying at Marwari University. And you?
I am an international student and also study in Marwar University.
What about your study?
Course I study of engineering.
I see my room, hostel room facility. I am living at a hostel room.
Okay, I see.
Uh, I giving a quick tour of the room.
Oh, there are good facility of your room hostel. What about the other course of Marwari?
There are a lot of sports like engineering, BBA, MBA, ME, etc.
Good.
That's it, ma'am.
Were there only 2 people in group 2?
I have role play is 2 members.
Only 2 members, Kevin and Kayur. That's group 2, right?
Yes. Four four student in group, but role play is 2.
Now we are doing 2. Okay, what are
Yes.
the rest of the people doing?
Subham Gatia and Subham Goswami.
What will they do? They have not spoken anything.
Right
Okay.
now you are spoken.
Okay, no problem. Now, group 3. I hope others have noted down the feedback for them. So, let's have group number 3 now. Group 3. Now, your duty, the rest of you are supposed to note down the feedback, right? So, this is group 3 now.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, are there any opportunities for studying abroad after bachelor in Marwari? Can you tell me?
There are innumerable opportunities to study abroad from Marwari University for the master's degree, as the university is recognized and AICTE approved. So the Marwari University has various collaborations with other foreign universities. So it would be easy for you to apply in other foreign universities and for exchange programs if you want to start early for your abroad plans.
Okay. Sir, what are the scholarship given to the students?
The scholarships are given by the foreign universities, not the Marwadi University. So you have to do well in your IELTS exam or other exams for abroad.
Okay. What is the total cost to study abroad?
The total cost would be high for studying abroad, as you can get scholarships for the program to make it look.
And what are the grades required for that?
The grades required would be the exams you have to give for studying abroad like IELTS, SET, and other various exams. And your CGPA would be counted. So you
Okay.
need to get a higher CGPA for the university.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, group 3. Again, 2 members only, right?
Yes, only 2 members.
Now, group 1. Others, please keep noting the feedback.
Okay, ma'am, can we start?
Yes, you may start.
Good morning, everyone. I think there's someone at the door. Yes, how may I help you?
Hello, I'm Naishargi from Canada. I have recently taken admission here.
Oh, hello there. I think then we'll be the new roommates. I'm Vartika. It's very nice to meet you.
I am her eldest brother, and yours is my friend.
How long have been here?
I've been here a couple days already. Are you guys excited for her?
Oh, yes, of course, but a bit worried too.
Oh, this is a really good place. You don't have to worry about that.
I told them not to worry anymore. I'm big enough now.
They're brothers, they're going to worry anyways. What are you the most excited about, Naishargi?
The new university with the new friends, a complete new lifestyle.
Yeah, that's the reason we worry.
No wonder how you will manage here.
Oh, I don't think you guys have anything to worry about. This is a really good and safe place for everyone. Naishargi will
Yeah.
love it here.
Yeah, let's hope that she would be kind here.
Okay, then I'm quite
I agree.
surprised that you can speak good in English.
Oh, yeah, it's just practice and a little patience. Thank you, guys.
All right, all right. Okay, Naisargi, we will see you soon. Okay, stay safe.
Okay, bye-bye.
Let's take a meet. We'll meet soon.
One has completed. So anybody who is left out right now? No one, right? Nobody is left to perform? Yes and no could help me. All of us have made a performance. They have taken a turn to perform. Am I audible? Yeah. Thank you for the yes. Fine. So there's a little few things that I would note in general. I'm not giving detailed feedback to everybody. So it's very difficult to do a role play when you cannot see the person. So I appreciate the fact that everybody did very well. Just have a Y or a P or a N on the screen and you are speaking to the person as if he is there. So that's a new thing that we are adapting to. So I am extremely happy that you have done it very well. One thing that we need to adapt to and what we have been doing is when we are face to face with a person, we know exactly when he or she will finish, and then we can start. But here, because we're using technology, so before they can finish, we start, or we don't know whether they have finished or not. Right. So a little overlapping was happening in a few cases. We have begun with a very simple everyday student life role play scenario, right? It's not going to be the same in workplace. But the reason why we started with this is so that we become a little comfortable. Fine. So in that case, I can see that you have worked it out very well with the little amount of time that was given to you, and it went really, really good. Just a few things. when you are speaking, please see to it that when you are supposed to put the mic on, find a place where there's less noise, where I can listen to you and not the noise. I know this is new, we are adapting, so that's one. Two, we could increase the dialogues a little. Three, some of you just started with the topic itself. Instead of doing this, build a base. Uh, let's say for group number 1 that performed last, I would see they were trying to build a base by saying, somebody is knocking at the door, and then you are allowing the roommate and the family who has come to drop the roommate off. Right? So that was really nice of you. And then instead of mentioning there are many things that can be done, be a little specific, especially in case of I think group 3 where they were talking about foreign universities, right? It was going too fast. So what I am trying to say is you can reduce the speed of the sentence which you are speaking. So you can say there are many ways of doing it, and Marwadi University has many collaborations, because it went a little fast. That's what I'm trying to explain. Otherwise, it was very good. All the 3 groups were good, but these are small things that will make you better. And so we can take care of these small things. Now, what I'll do is in the same Google Drive by tomorrow, maybe within an hour or so, you can check again. What I'll do is I'll drop a Excel sheet where you can write the name of your group members. If you finish it today, by tomorrow, what I'll do is I'll add one more scene so that you have a little time to prepare, and this time a little more professional work organization kind of a scene, right? So what you can do is I'll make an Excel sheet right away by the time you attempt the quiz for this session, right? I hope we don't have any queries with how things are working, right? So I could see that when you are executing, the theory part is quite clear, and that's why the practical part that is happening is also very nice, right? So I feel that there are no doubts as of now. So if you even have a doubt before our lab session, you can always drop a message on the WhatsApp number and ask, right? So what I'll do right away is I'll paste the link for the test over here. By the time you attempt the link, I'll prepare this Excel sheet where you can write the name of your group members, group 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is, and then by tomorrow afternoon you can check the second role play, that is a more workplace scenario, which is going to be assigned to you. You can prepare beforehand, right? So we can perform better. Fine. So what I'll do is right away I'm going to copy paste the test link. There you go. That's your test or quiz for today, and you can start attempting the quiz. Well done. I can see you have been scoring 5 on 5 and 4 on 4. That's very nice. Active students and active results. It's the second one. Yes, we've got a question. Next Friday, I'll tell you the date as well. So we are doing it on the 10th. Right. Now, if you can go back to the Google Drive that I have shared with you, the Google folder, you'll find an Excel sheet which says role play scenarios. I have right now prepared group 1, 2, and 3. Other students who we have missed out, right? Whom we have missed out, what you can do is you can ask your friends to at least write the name of their group, because it's right now only 8 students according to the lab batch list that we have. We have 14 students in this lab batch. So right now it's just of 10 students that 8 or 10 students that I thought have done the group role play. So what you can do is you can ask your friends to edit this file and kindly pass on the message to them so that they can also have access to it, and they also have the similar amount of time to prepare for it, right? So let's take the attendance for today. So just yes, if you could type. Poojan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep. Vartika.
Yes, ma'am.
Naisargi.
Present, ma'am.
We've got Himali. Himali Vikaria. Absent. Yash.
Present, ma'am.
Kevin.
Yes, ma'am.
Keyur.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham Gadhia.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham Goswami.
Yes, ma'am.
Kunj.
Yes, ma'am.
Deven. Deven is absent. Nehil.
Yes, ma'am.
And then it's Jay. Jay Prajapati is absent. And Aditi Shah. So we got 4 people who are absent. So 2 of you have yet not performed. Do not worry, we can do it in the next lab, but make sure you add your names in the group for the Excel in the Excel sheet that these are the 2 people who are in the group. So I'll assign you the work latest by tomorrow afternoon. You have to go through the scene, you have to prepare it before you come, and we'll execute it, right? If you wish to know the order in which we are working, it would be group 3, group 4, group 1, and group 2. That's how we'll work. We'll go in the reverse order. 3, 4, 1, 2. That's how we will work. Groups. Right now, I've just written the name of it. We might even change the order because we are giving you time to prepare from home. So it means that everybody is prepared, right? So we might even change from 4, 3, 2, 1, something like that. But do not worry, we never go in order when we'll be executing 1. So it's first, or 4 it is last, is not the case, right? So I appreciate the fact that every one of you did good, and I hope that you'll be doing better because you'll be given more time, more space of discussing with your group members. So please update your name in the Excel file which has been shared with you already. There I've made a small table on my own. Why I say on my own is what I understood of today's scenario. You want to change groups, you can make changes and you can let me know that this is group 2 now, only 2 people. or group 3 now, 3 people, right? Whatever changes they are, you can discuss with your friends and do the same, right? So thank you, class. Thank you for being with us. Please check this Excel sheet by tomorrow afternoon. If you do it today, by today afternoon, I can give you the scenes. I already have that prepared with me. But latest by tomorrow afternoon, that is tomorrow 12, I'll be giving you your next scenario for role play, which you have to execute directly when we come for the next lab on next Saturday. Fine. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.